Let's do the knee strike song. The knee strike song goes to row, row, row your boat. So who can help me sing row, row your boat? You guys can? Awesome. Ready, set, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 I love ice cream. I'm just kidding. All right, everybody, get your hands in a ready stance. Go, yeah. Now let's look around for that tree. Pick up the tree, hold it over your head just like that. And we're going to break the tree over our knee, and then we're going to make some campfire wood. Ready, set, go. Tap, tap, tap your knee with both your hands. Put your foot back on the ground, back in ready stance. Aya! Nice. Let's take all that wood and let's put it in the camp, and then we're going to light the fire in a little bit. Are you allowed to touch fire or only me? That's what I thought. Let's grab another tree. Oh, here's the tree. Let's switch feet this time. Let's do the other knee. Ready, set, go. Tap, tap, tap your knee with both your hands. Put your foot back on the ground, back in ready stance. Aya! Good job. Let's take all that firewood, put it in the fire, and now I'm going to light the fire with my energy. There we go. Oh, now we have a nice, warm, cozy campfire. Good job, everyone. Go get your marshmallows. High five. Namaste. Aya!